Hi my dear students, good evening to all. Now we will proceed today question number 3, exercise 2.4 my dear students. So let's see these very important questions and very interesting question my dear students. Let us try to understand this question. Please pay attention. Let's see how to do this type question. Here what is given my dear students? First of all, let us understand properly what is the meaning of sentence. Then we will able to interpret it properly in mathematical terms. So let it see. What is given? Sum of the two-digit number is 9. The sum of two-digit number is 9. Sum of the two-digit number is 9. Means what? Sum of the two-digit number is 9. Okay, my dear students, what is given? Sum of the two-digit number is 9. Okay, means what? It is here given that if there are two numbers. See, this is the number of two digit. It is number of two digit, and the sum of these two digit it is given. The sum of these two digit is given. Okay, the sum of these two digit is given 9. But see, here exactly we don't know which number we should take, so that 9 should come by doing addition of its a digit. So what mean by digit and number? Don't confuse between digit and number, my dear student. What mean by digit? Like this example, 12. 12 is number, right? 12 is number. Now how many digits are there in 12? There are two digits. First is 2, second is 1. Now this number 2 is located at unit place. At what place? Unit place. This is called unit place. Usually we are talking from right to left. This is called unit place and this is called 10th place. Am I right? Now my dear students, how we can write this number? In other way, 10 into 1 plus 2. 10 into 1 plus 2. Okay, so whatever numbers coming of two digit, always the 10th place number multiple of 10. Always 10th place number is multiple of 10. Is it clear to all? So either you write in this form, I will write in this form also. Is it clear, my dear student? For example, you can take other number 25. How we can write 25? There is also how many digits are there? How many digits are there? How many digits are there? Unit place and 10th place. There are two digits. Is it clear, my dear students? So how we can write 2 into 10 plus 5. 2 tens are 20 plus 5 25. Am I right, my dear students? Have you understand? So this 25 also can be written as 2 into 10 plus 5. So always remember the 10th place number, the 10th place digit always used to multiply with the 10. Okay, in order to get that number. So this concept we have to implement to do these sums. Is it clear, my dear students? So let us see the sum. Here, what we are doing, at unit place number we are taking x. Because see why I am taking x? Because there may be possibility that there is a more numbers will be there. Whose sum will come 9? Up their digits, up two digit number. So therefore what to do? Let us take arbitrary. Arbitrary means it can be anything. So therefore what to do? It is better to take any particular number. We will take general number. Let us take x. X is any general, that is an arbitrary number. So I am taking x. Suppose at the unit place. At the unit place there will be x. But what is given? There is a unit, that is the sum of digit at unit place and 10th place, that is given 9. If that means, so here write down, suppose the number at the unit place is x. Am I right? Then what will be number at 10th place? It will be 9 minus x. Why? Because now see, the sum what will come? 9 will come. Is it clear? Where x is any arbitrary number, it is general number, it is not particular number. And therefore we can write in this way, it is allowed. Now, after this, my dear students, so what is this? This is a unit place number and this is 10th place number. Is it clear? This is a unit place number. This is 10th place number. Is it clear? Number means what? Digit. So this is unit place digit and this is 10th place digit. Is it clear? This is at unit place digit and this is at 10th place digit. It is digit. It is digit. Okay. So here what is question? The sum of the digit is 9. So is it clear? If I take this 9 minus x, another is x. At unit place, here sum always will come 9. So this condition is satisfied. That means this is over. Now let's move on next part. When we interchange the digit, it found that resulting number is greater than. Okay. So before proceeding that, let us interpret these digits in terms of number. How to write in terms of number? As I told you, always the 10th place number will multiply with 10. Multiply with 10. And unit place number will be add as it is. So unit place number will be add as it is. So now this is the way of writing number. So this is the required number. At the unit place there is a x. At the 10th place there is a number 9 minus x, my dear student. Okay, is it clear? Now after this what is given? Now let's see. It is found that the resulting new number is greater than original number by 27. What is given? When we are interchanging the digit means what? This unit place number I am writing first and 10th place number I am writing after. That is called interchange. I guess. Now I am writing new number. So this is now became old number. The new number will be, this is the old number. The new number is x plus 9 minus x. Is it correct? No. We are forgetting something. What? It is at 10th place. What should do? We should multiply with the 10. Is it clear, my dear students? So therefore, I am multiplying with the 10 because it is at 10th place. So now this is complete number. So here what is condition given? According to the hypothesis, I have to write, my dear student. What is given? 10x in the bracket 9 minus x is equal to what is given? The new number. The new number is greater than original number by 27. The new number. So this became new number. This new number is greater than 27 by what? Which number? Old number. Where is the old number? This is old number. Is it clear, my dear students? Okay. So let it write down 10 into in the bracket 9 minus x plus x plus greater by 27. Is it okay? Is it okay? Is it clear, my dear student? So nothing new thing I am doing. As per given sentence I am implementing over here. Is it clear, my dear student? So the new number is greater by 27 and therefore I will add here 27. Greater is what? Plus sign will come. Is it clear? When I will add 27 to this old number, then it can be equivalent to this new number. Is it clear, my dear students? Up to this is it clear? Everybody understand? Now after this what to do? We will segregate the variable one side and constant other side in order to determine value of x. Once we will come to know value of x by substituting in this equation, then we will come to know what is the required number. So let us do that. So my dear students, so open the bracket 10x. Now see, here we can directly open the bracket 10x minus x. Outside plus sign, so there is no meaning of the bracket. If there will be plus sign outside of the bracket, there is no meaning of a bracket. So directly we can do subtraction of variable. So obviously variable is subtract from variable, constant with the constant. So 10x minus x, what will come, my dear students? 9x. 10x minus x, 9x. So here what is remain constant now? 9 is equal to 10 is 90, 10x minus 10x plus x plus 27. Is it clear, my dear students? So what I am doing here? This 10 is outside. What does it mean? Each each term should multiply 1 by 10. I mean every one time this 9 will multiply, other time x will multiply. That is the meaning of number outside bracket. Okay. So now this became like this. So here minus 10x plus x become minus 9x. Greater number sign will come. Both are opposite sign. We will do subtraction, but we will write greater number sign. So 9x, my dear students, plus 9 is equal to 90 minus 9x plus x means minus 9x plus 27. Is it clear? Now what to do? This 9x I am taking this side and constant other side. So I am writing at the top side. Let's see, due to lag of place over here, I am writing at the top so that it can be clearly visible to you. Okay, so let's see, my dear students. So 9 here minus 9x given, when it will come left side become plus 9x. So let us write down 9x plus 9x. When this 9 will go right side it become minus. So 90 plus 27. 90 plus 27 minus 9, my dear student, minus 9. Is it clear? Okay, 9 plus 9, 18x is equal to 90. Now see, both are opposite sign. Let's do subtraction. 20 minus 9, 8. Here what is remain? 1, 18. Okay, is it clear? This is 18. This is 18. So x is equal to, now here 18x is equal to 90 plus 18. So 8, 9 plus 1 become 108. Now further what we can do? We can do here, this 18 we can take right side, x is equal to 108 by 18 we can do cancellation. 6 are 108. So the required x is 6. So we got, my dear students, x is equal to 6. Now what to do? We will put this value of x is equal to 6 in the required number. My dear students. So let it put in the required number. Then we will get answer. So what was the number? What we have been taken into the consideration? Let it put in that. So what we got, my dear students? We got 6. So what was the number? 9 minus x plus x into 10. So let it put value of x 10 outside. 9 minus 6 plus x means again it is 6. 10 9 minus 6 become 3 and plus 3 outside. Now we have to use Bottom's principle. First multiply and then add. What is the Bottom's principle? First open the bracket, after that multiplication. After multiplication, first open the bracket, then divide, division is there, and after that multiplication. After multiplication, addition, then subtraction. So therefore first we will do multiplication, after that addition. 10 3 are 30 plus 6 become 36, my dear student. So this is the required number. Is it clear to all, my dear students? If I will interchange its a digit, what will get? 63. Now what is different? We can check it. So subtract 63 minus 36. What is coming? 30 minus 6. Okay. Now we will subtract from these 13 or minus 6, 7. And here what is that? 5. 5 minus 3, 2. What is getting? 27. So is it clear? This way you can check your answer also, my dear student. So what was there in the question? By interchanging the new number greater by 27. So after interchanging the 36 digit, we are getting 63, and here difference is coming 27. What does it mean? I means that the new number 63 is more than 36 by 27. I means if I will add 27 to this 36, then we get 63. So this is the required solution, my dear students. So the required number is 36. After interchanging, the new number will be 63, and here difference will be 27. Is it clear? Thank you to all my dear students. May God bless you. Have a nice day. Regarding any impedance, you can write in my comment box, or you can do personal WhatsApp at my personal WhatsApp number.